depending on where you're watching me from. I was going to stream with my system and my Pocket 3, but funny enough, I don't know what happened. It's not responding, so I have to stream with my phone. And it's a beautiful Saturday evening, and the weather is calm. The weather is also calm here in Nigeria, Benue State, Nigeria, to be precise. And I will be streaming here for some time, and I hope everybody will join me for this live streaming. And this is the first live streaming I'm going to do for the proper live streaming I'm going to start. And I just want to get my system ready. As you can see, I have my camera here, Pocket 3. This camera serves as webcam. It's very good for webcam. So I have this Pocket 3 here that I'm going to work on it, and then my system will assist me to give you a good, clean, and sharp image when it comes to live streaming. And I hope you will join me. I really, really, really need you to be here with me. And sometimes when I spend 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, sometimes even 20 minutes to be, chatting with you guys here. And currently I'm working on my new movie. I shot about 3 short films, and the good news is that all those short films are going to go upload on this platform. That's great. I want to upload all my short film on this platform. So if you are here and you're watching me, get ready to watch beautiful African short story. And Maga, Michael, Maga. Where are you watching from, Michael? Welcome. So all my short films, they're going to be uploaded here on this platform, and everybody, you're always welcome to subscribe to this channel, and then you enjoy the short film. Like I was saying, I'm still trying to set up my studio for proper live streaming. I'm fine, thank you. Tony, how are you? Tony Yusuf, how you doing? Thank you so much for joining. How you doing? And I'm happy that some of us are here to watch me stream. And I'm a filmmaker, upcoming filmmaker. Sometimes when you call yourself a filmmaker, you say, this one don't make money, but I'm an upcoming filmmaker, and I'm working on about 3 short films, and they're powerful. They're powerful, yeah, they're powerful. And I have good cast, and then they're doing a great job. But by the time I set, thank you very much. By the time I set my live streaming proper, set my computer and everything, you really, really, really enjoy my live streaming, because I have a lot. Because if you are here, you know that I'm not going to disappoint you. And sometimes I'm drinking Kuno, so if you need Kuno, come and take. I've been shooting for the past how many days? I'm just trying to combine my work and coming on set, because the first movie I acted, the second one I was not chance to act, the third one still I was not chance. So I have to give my crew go ahead to get somebody else that will act my part. But the other one I acted and it was awesome. It would be nice if you're watching me, you tell me where you're watching me from, and then I'll greet you. The reason why I left my window open is because um, the heat here is too much. The serious heat here, and for me to get good ventilation. Sorry, guys, my son is not feeling fine, so let me go and check him. Can I go with this camera? Okay, I'll go with the camera. My guy is dark, so you won't see anything. But I really need to check up on my son. Anytime I want to stream and I'm at home, I'll have to let him sleep before I will stream. So I want to check my boy. Not feeling too well. You can see he's snoring. Uvon is here and he's still sweating. See? Oh, I see, but he's still sweating. Because he's not feeling too strong. Lucky boy. Daddy loves him. So just let me check up on him and see how he's doing. Because sometimes if I just forget myself and then sit here and be streaming, I don't want to think too much, but for him to be safe, Daddy needs to look at. Everybody here is special and you're all my VIP. And there's no way when you come to my live streaming, I'll be eating and I'll not give you. So this is part of the tool for my live streaming. This is Pocket 3 creator combo. You know, this thing is powerful, it's very good, and I've been using it for some days now. And sometimes I use it to record my behind the scenes. And if you look at my page, there's some behind the scenes that are there that you can just find time and watch the behind the scenes. What was wrong with this system? My God. You know, when I went to work, I stayed for 2 weeks. So I have to travel back to come see my family before I'll still go back. And I'm going back on Monday, by the grace of God. So I have to be around to, spend time with my family, and so that if I travel and anytime I come back, they'll be happy for me. As you guys know, family is everything. Family is everything. And if you are doing anything in this life and you don't have a family, it's always crazy when you are doing anything and you don't have a family. but family helps a lot. You're welcome to my life. For today, I will spend like 20 minutes here before I go to bed. I'll try to make my streaming to start by 12 midnight Nigerian time. What I'll do. But my movie is going to be out hopefully this month. My first movie. It's going to be out hopefully this month. So, guys, subscribe to this channel and then put the notification so that anytime we're live, you'll be the first one to join us. I'm trying to set a live stream on my computer, but it's giving me a headache. I don't know why. And this is web. Web is not selecting webcam. Who does not want to select webcam? Let me try the other platform. And I wanted to give you clean and beautiful video and streaming. Then the next thing, my system refused to pick up, so I will need to go run the drives again. I need to go and drive my system. That's a big problem we always have with all those fairly used computers, you know. I love Kono. Yeah, I love Kono. Let me see if this Pocket 3 can be able to connect to my phone with the app, then I can stream from there. I think it's something like that. If you have that, that would be great. Because me in general, I'm somebody that loves streaming. I love streaming. Guys, just trying to test this in today, but let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.